I've been with eXp for over a year now, and I'm going to give you my honest review of eXp as both a brokerage and as an opportunity. Is it the same opportunity it once was? Is it a better opportunity? We're going to go over that right now. Hi, I'm Adam Hopkins, and welcome to the Agent Revolution. This channel is about how eXp is changing agents' lives, one life at a time. And if that is of interest to you, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified every time we drop a new video. I love getting reach outs from people about eXp. I'm very passionate about eXp because it's completely revolutionized my business. If you're interested in talking with me, I'm looking for partners that would make a lot of sense for each other, but I'll answer your questions no matter what. So reach out to me, call me, text me, anytime, day or night. I would love to hear from you. Having been here for well over a year, I have a pretty good idea of the strengths and weaknesses of eXp. There are definitely some great pros and there's definitely some weaknesses. It's not perfect, but I can tell you this, having been in some national big brokerages and some smaller brokerages, a few different brokerages in between, eXp is pretty dang terrific as a brokerage. I think it's by far the best brokerage that I have been in without question. eXp kind of has two different things going for it. It's a brokerage, it's also an opportunity. So we're going to kind of look at both of those aspects. So for me, my last brokerage, I left because it was going on over a week to get paid. I never had that experience with any of the other brokerages I was with. I was with Realty One, and I was with Keller Williams, and I was with Urban Nest, a local business here in Las Vegas. And then I was in a company called Compass Realty and Management, not Compass Realty, Compass Realty and Management. It was this tiny little nothing brokerage. It was $250 transaction fee, no splits, no monthly fees, no nothing else, just the $250 transaction fee. Cheapest brokerage on the planet. Well, that also came with some really crappy service as well because, well, didn't have the money to pay for staff. It was okay for a time, but after going past a week of not getting paid, I'm like, dude, what's the deal here? And he's like, well, maybe we're not a good fit. And I'm like, yeah, maybe we're not. So it just happened to be about the time that Frank Driscoll was talking to me about eXp. And so I decided to make the switch, despite the fact that it was a considerable jump in expenses, at least in my mind. I was going to go from a $250 transaction fee to a $16,000 cap and an 80-20 split. And I didn't love that aspect, but I did love the opportunity the eXp offered. I felt pretty much all brokerages are a necessary evil, and that's kind of why I ended up at the cheapest brokerage I could find. I didn't need a big name. I don't need a lot of time. I don't need to be in your office. I don't need to go to your meetings. I don't need your training at this point in my career. You know, I just needed somebody just to sign some checks and a second pair of eyes looking at my paperwork, making sure everything's going well. That's all I needed. eXp offered an opportunity and a good brokerage. I didn't know that they were a great brokerage at the time. I just looked at it as, you know, all right. You know, my broker is very good at being able to communicate and get information from me very quickly. So that was a positive thing. However, he was never in the world, which bothered me in the beginning. That since has been adjusted. You know, there's staff in there. The broker's there whenever he's able to. That experience has improved over the time I've been here. Not that it was bad. Like I said, I would say it's as good as any place I was at. So I really like this. I would say it's significantly better than other brokerages I've been in for communication. I would say I've gotten some really great advice from my broker. eXp is systematically becoming a better and better brokerage every single passing year, which is an amazing feat because I keep thinking they can't do better, but they're always looking for better ways to do it. I would say one of the areas that we're frustrating with for me a little bit and for other agents is the onboarding. It's a little different process and adjustment when you first come in here. If there's not good systems in place or you haven't connected to the world, there may be some frustrations there and maybe an area where they're continually looking to improve upon. The training here is on a whole other level than anywhere else. I don't use it as much as I should. I underutilize the training because every time I do take it, some of the training there, it definitely builds and improves my business, and it is next level stuff. You really can pick and choose what you want to study and learn. There's over 50 hours of full-time live training here in eXp, and it's all backed up, so you can go check it out. So there's hundreds of thousands of hours of training on any subject that you can want. It's like a fire hydrant of training. So training is not going to be a reason that you're not going to come to EXP. It's better than anywhere else, period. And the quality of trainers we have are on another level. Only the best producers in this company do the training. And then we have people like Grant Cardone doing training, and Tony Robbins and Tom Hopkins and other big names providing huge sources of training in EXP. They bought Success Magazine, so training is like on another level. The opportunity that EXP has is both through their stock, which is something that none of the other brokerages I had offered. There are some other brokerages that offer this, but it's nothing like the experience that I've had with EXP, where you get stock for doing just what we normally do. There's a whole variety of different ways to earn stock in EXP. I'm not going to touch on that in this video, but it's pretty freaking amazing. Had I joined when I first heard about EXP, I would have a lot of stock. I would have over 7 figures in stock. As it is, I have quite a bit of stock and I could not be more happy. I would say the stock from EXP has well exceeded my expectations when I came over here. Let's talk about agent attraction, because that's one of the things that EXP offers, that it's a way of making reoccurring passive income, money that can last a lifetime, and it takes pressure off of you and your business. But let's talk about the real logistics, because it's also a con for many agents that are doing it wrong and they're getting, rejected, and they're not offering value, and at the same time they're creating a bad impression on EXP out there. If you're like me, you've probably been inundated, instant message, text out of the blue, maybe called randomly, all these different things from people who are, hey, did you know you can get rich from EXP, or you can retire, or whatever it is that their pitch is. It's generally not coming from an area of value. That can be a frustration. It's important to understand that you got to come from a position of value. You're always recruiting. You're recruiting buyers and you're recruiting sellers. A lot of people are like, oh, I'm not a recruiter. Yes, you are. You are a recruiter. In fact, when you talk to somebody about that great restaurant, you're recruiting for that restaurant. If you're talking about a great movie to somebody, you're just not benefiting from it. Okay, you're recruiting all the time. You're expressing opinions about what a great place one place is or versus another. EXP is like that. Look, it is truly so great that I want to shout it from the mountaintops. It's a fantastic brokerage. So it's easy for me to talk about this. Revenue share is a marathon, not a sprint. It's going to take you some time. So just know that going in. This is a bit of a side hustle, if you will. It's your 401k, it's your retirement. Don't think of this as, although there are people who have gone in within less than a year and are making, $300,000, $400,000 a year. It's possible. If it's something that you're doing in addition to your business and you want to grow your real estate business while growing that, it's totally doable and it is totally worth doing. It's easier than you think to do so. Of recruiting buyers and sellers, recruiting agents to EXP is the easiest of those three. It's significantly easier. You just need to know the right steps and how to do that. And I'll be happy to share that with you. So reach out to me. I'll teach you on what are the processes that do it. One of the ways we could do it is how I'm doing it right here with this video. This is a great free method in which you and I can communicate, and it scales, it duplicates itself, and it's easy to do. That is a method in which we can train you and teach you how to use this to attract agents into your business and how to attract buyers and sellers, how to dominate your market and be a celebrity at almost no cost to you. It's fantastic. When you make a video, it lasts forever. YouTube's a very powerful way to build a lifelong business that you're never struggling for business, and you're getting generally higher end clients that are paying more money for properties. Talk to me about this. I will happily talk to you about how YouTube can revolutionize your business. Best part of EXP is the collaboration. My growth of my real estate business has more than doubled. And the crazy thing is I spend less time doing it than I was before. I'm more profitable per hour as a result of being here in EXP and the level of quality of agents that I've collaborated with. Because here's the real magic, the real power in EXP. As an agent that attracts and brings you in as a sponsor, I only win if you're successful here. If you're duplicating some of the things I'm doing well, if I can train you, help you build up your business and do it in less time so you have some time time to spend on building a long-term passive income. Imagine what your life will be like if every month you start off with $5, $10, maybe $15,000 without ever even having to sell a house. It just takes off that burden, that pressure. And eventually it offers you an opportunity that you want to step away from the business, you can. That's what eXp offers, but it happens in the duplication of yourself and pouring energy into someone else. That's what appeals to me. I love helping people. I love sharing with people what I do and have done to become successful and pouring that into other people. And then helping them do the same with others. And it just pays it forward. It creates this network of people who truly care about each other and are financially in alignment. That truly is the magic that eXp offers that nothing else offers. What's crazy is that Keller Williams has the same structure. Why does it not work the same level? Well, it's because it's a profit sharing system. I mean, they literally have, we took essentially the model in which they created, which is a genius model. They just gave more money. They took it off the top by saving overhead, and it changed the game for us as agents. eXp is without question the most agent-focused brokerage, meaning giving us the best opportunities and perks of anything in the industry. It's not even close. If you want to learn more about how eXp can change and revolutionize your business, literally it saved me in this industry. I was burnt out on this business. I was so sick and tired of the hamster wheel and what keeps going on over and over. Just, you have $100,000 a month and then all of a sudden you're at zero again. You know, that can grind over time. And so eXp is without question the best opportunity. It saved my business, and I believe it could save yours if you're at that point. Reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you. My information's below. Call me, text me anytime. Let's have a conversation and see if eXp is the right spot for you.